Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to talk about knowing your cameras, your equipment, and how to service them, on and off set. As you can see with my Bolex P2 Reflex, I've labeled it A for everything main that I'm going to be filming in color, and B for everything that I'm going to be filming for my B-roll in color and or black and white, not including my other cameras. It's always best to have two cameras or more. Thus, you can get the same type of shots and different angles and different shots off one take. Now, the good thing about using one particular brand of camera, as you can see I use Bolex, is that when you open it up inside here, you're familiarizing yourself with one brand. If you look closely, everything here, even though they're two different models, the P2 and the D8L, you can see that both the film gates are the same. Under the plate here, on each one, they're essentially the same, the inner workings. This makes repair so much easier and smooth. So when you get yourself familiar with the cameras, especially Bolex, you know what's going on essentially. Alright? Now, within repairing the cameras, I've had an electronics business for years. Back in the days, even when repairing VCRs and other small electronics, what I've always used are these egg trays. As you can see, I've labeled them for the front of the camera: pressure plate, base plate, some of the lens, film counter area, and so what I do with that is, of course, just put all the screws and parts and pieces within here. It makes it so much easier. Those egg trays don't cost me anything. It's flat, you can pack it in your case and take it with you. Of course, don't forget your toolbox, your oils and your Q-tips, that type of a thing. So these are the big differences and the positives about servicing your own camera. Become familiar with your cameras and your equipment. It'll save you a lot of time on production. Having more than one camera, in case something goes down, you can't repair it right away, you can go ahead and film with the other one and or the others. It's a good suggestion to have at least 4 cameras. Alright, hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use and understand your cameras and your equipment. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.